Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am to show how to secure your Cash App on 𝗘𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗓. So now you need to open 𝗘𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗓, then connect proxy. So you need to connect any proxy. I am using 𝗬𝗶𝘂. So if you buy a 𝗬𝗶𝘂 proxy from me, so you get 50% discount on 𝗬𝗶𝘂 proxy if you buy from me. If you buy any proxy buy from me, you get also 40-50% discount from me. So connect the proxy and how to secure your Cash App. So open Cash App apps and go the profile icon and scroll down, go security, then security lock. So click here, move money, require biometric or PIN to move money. So enable this option. You need cash PIN and another option, unlock the app, require biometric or PIN unlock to app after 5 minutes of inactivity. So enable also this. And if you buy account from someone, then you also change cash PIN also. So change, confirm your cash PIN. I mean old cash PIN you type, then retype your enter a new cash PIN. So I made mistake. So change your cash PIN. So this is the secure process. You first move money option enable, unlock app enable, then change your cash PIN. If you buy account from someone, then your seller can't recover your account or your money can't stolen. So if you buy account from me, I receive guarantee account, you can take from me at good prices. And also other services, like you can buy monthly proxy from me, 𝗬𝗑𝗪𝗓 proxy for good for Cash App users, and also have 9 proxy, all kind of proxies available for good big discount, and also monthly IP for Cash App. If you buy monthly IP from me, then description in my Telegram personal or Telegram channel you can contact me. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my videos. So thank you.